Good day, divergence traders. How y'all doing today? Look at that run up, eh? On the NASDAQ. Yeah. See these arrows here? What are they all doing? All of them up are pointing up, meaning no selling. See these bearish candles, this dip? No selling. No, 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 no. You know how many people sold right in here? Because they thought, oh, look, it put in the top. Look, two big wicks. Look, it's going to go down. Oh, look, now we have lower closing candles. It's going to go down. It's going to go down. I know it will. I know it. Let's sell. Sell now. This is the kind of panic that runs through people's minds. FOMO, they call it. Fear of missing out. Yes. Like I've always told you, in an uptrend, you buy the dips, not sell them. Okay? So, if you bought it, say, right here after this, I would wait myself for it to come back into the 5 EMA. This is the 5 EMA. Let me show you that, okay? 5, shift 0, exponential close. Okay? And this one, I'm just handing this to you, is the 7 exponential close, shift 1. Shift 1. That's very important. Shift 1. Okay? Now, when the 5 is above the 7, you only look for buys. Only buy trades. When the excuse me, when the 5 is below the 7 down here, you look for sells. That's it. So, is there divergence here before this news event? No. There kind of is, but no. No. It would have been like basically even, see? If we took it from here, yeah, this one's lower than even this one. There's no divergence to buy in there. The only thing you could have done, woulda, coulda, shoulda, but didn't, okay, is you look at this indicator that I give to you for free. If you want it, you just have to send me an email and I'll send it to you lickety split. Oh yeah, there was one person who asked for it, and I noticed the email and I sent it to them within 5 minutes. So it's up to you. This is very critical, this indicator. If you plan to use, you know, my 5 and 7. I guess you could change that in there, can you? Let's see. Indicator list. No, I don't have that in the code. Oh, Jason. I just so believe in my 5 and my 7. Shift 1. I don't have it. See, it says first moving average. It says exponential, but it doesn't give me the... Oh. Anyway. Because I'm so confident about these two moving averages I've been using for 10 years, I've always used moving averages right from the very first time I looked at a chart in 2005. I've been trading since 2001, but it was all call into my broker at that time. But anyway, there's no divergence on the 5 minute. There was one setting up here. See, we got a high retracement and higher high into here. See, which was divergence. See, right here. And ding, ding. Okay. So let's look at the 1 minute and see what it gave us, okay? We'll just move this over. It's in a sideways shuffle now. Okay, where's the spike up? Okay, there's the spike up. Right here is the open of the stock market. Yeah, 1631. So, do we have a double bottom there? No, that one's lower than that one. Ah, you bastard. You bastards. All right. Now what about another one? See, there's no divergence to buy it here either, because this one needs to be up higher here. Hold on. I'll find it. You gotta just look a little bit. There it is right there, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. There it is. Right there. Hot diggity dog. Right there, maybe. Yeah, right there. And right there. It's bullish, hidden, hard to see divergence. So you had one trade there to buy right here on the 1 minute. Now, it was okay to buy on the 1 minute because the 5 minute was telling you bullish. It's okay to buy if everything sets up, you know, like right in here. You would have bought it and up it goes. And it went up nicely. It went up 40 pips. And here's another one. Well, yeah. Here's another one. Right here. Just got to draw it to somewhere in there. Lower than there anyway. And right here to somewhere like right there. Oh. It's down here. Doesn't matter. It's still divergence. You would have bought right in here a few minutes ago. Yep. Yeah. You would have bought right here on the opening of this candle, right where the price is now. And it didn't go far. It only went up 12, 13 points. But that's your two trades for today on the 1 minute, because there was definitely none on the 5. Okay? And that's it. Buy the 2 dips, and up it went. Both successful trades. Or you could have waited, see this lower closing candle here? Right when that closed and this one opened, you would have bought it, up it goes. Here's another one, close lower, bought it, up it goes. See that? Could have done that as well without even going on the 5 minute and tinkering with or I mean on the 1 minute and tinkering with that. Okay, let's move on now. Sorry, I'm babbling on again. I'm sorry. I'm just, things come to my brain and I try and share it with you guys. My long journey of 22 years. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. Let's look at the Dow now. Okay, what do we got here? We got a buyer here. Let's move that. I would consider that to be like a double bottom, but again, you can't jump in just before the news. You know what I'm saying? But if you did wait for price to come back to the 5, lower closing candle, if you would have bought it right there, look at that, all the way up. Here's another one, lower closing candle, buy on the open, you would have had some drawdown on that one. That one would have been a little bit scary, but then it rallied up and closed up here. Yeah, so there's your 2 trades. Buy the dip, and that's it. Okay. You could have done it on a 1 minute too. Let's go look at the 1 minute, okay? Because these all been bullish arrows on all these time frames from way down here. Well, maybe the 4 hour from up here. I don't know. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute quickly. Okay. There's the first trade right there. Boom, boom. Okay, this is the Dow. This is hard to see divergence we're looking at. You would have bought right in there. 0 drawdown, ladies and gentlemen. 0. Just like Coke 0. So you would have bought it in there somewhere. And up it went 74 points. And then again, here's another buy right here from this low. Yeah, it's lower. And from here to here. And it's higher. This one going up. Or I mean, this one going down. This one going up. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Oh, it's starting to retrace now. Okay. The NASDAQ. Excuse me. Just had to do a little haka loogie boogie. Okay. Jason. Okay, here. We'll go back here. Okay, so you would have bought right here. Oh, 56 points. Yeah, went up 50 points. Is there another one here? Oh, I think so. There's even another one here. There's one there. And there's one right, doggone it, right there. Okay, hold on. Let me draw them in. So from here. That one. No, this one. Yeah, this one. Let's make this look more correct. Okay. So it got long. Right in there. Boom, shakalak. You would have bought it, and up it goes. 52 points. Okay, this is the Dow we're looking at. Now we got one more. I want to show you lots of nice dips to buy today. Yes, indeed. So right there and right there. This one's going up. This one's going down. I'm going to put an arrow right there. Oh, talking too much too fast. Sorry. That gets to me. So you would have bought the dip in here. And up it went, 35 points. And now it's just gone into a sideways sidewinder, as I call them. All right. There's 3 successful buy trades with moving averages confirming it. And the divergence. Gotta like it. Gotta like it. Oh, hold on. No, that's it. What about the 15 minute? What did it do? Oh, yeah, it did. It did have a trade on the 15 minute. See? From here to this low. And from here going up. See? You would have bought right in here before the news if you had the balls. And you would have been good. You would have been good. Like we're talking 274 points good. All right, cool. 15 minutes. Divergence is on every time frame, ladies and gentlemen. It's on tick charts. It's on range, Renko. It's on all kinds of things. But every time I've ever tried to use something different, it never, it got you in, like, it never helped me. Like, it got you into the trade quicker, but when more trades, with some trades, it was moving slow, and you would have caught it, and you would have got in, right? But other times when the market's moving so fast and it did this setup, you're just stunned. You're like, you're like paralyzed. You couldn't do the trade. And then it takes off up 30, 40, 50 pips, points, ticks, tacks, tic-tac-toe. And, you missed it because it happened too fast. So that's why I'll never use range bars, Renko bars, tick charts, even those charts that show you the volume, the footprints or whatever, if you know what I mean. I have it on my Ninja Trader. I was looking at it. It's pretty wild. But again, if it moves too fast, you miss the trade. It's just leave it on the time charts, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. Yeah, it'll work for you. It'll be good. It works for me anyway. I show you the trades here all on slow time charts, okay? Not super fast tick charts, okay? Anyway, I just find it the ultimate true time measure to trade. That's what I believe. Okay, let's look at the S and the P now. Same charts basically. There's no divergence here to buy it before the news, and you get to buy the dips, like right here. Buy the dip, up it goes. 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 See that? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. When that sucker closes, the lower close candle, nice and red, then you buy, and it's blue, 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 blue. Yahoo! It's blue. A little crazy today. Up 15 points on the S and the P. Yeah. Anyway, I could show you the same trades over again like I did the other two because they basically, most of the time, follow each other. So there's no point. There's no divergence. There's divergence up here to sell it, like right now, but I wouldn't sell it because it's a huge uptrend. Even though, wouldn't be surprised they will knock it down here because of the fact that they went through these highs, okay, of the last 2 months. They broke through it now. Now, if we go to the weekly, I believe we're going to go, this is what I believe, up here. And if they really want to take it, I think we're going to go through the all-time high ever. This high here, it's looking that way. It looks to me they're going to take it through there higher by the end of the year. That's what I think. Anyway, let me get these arrows. Oh, there's more lines. Come on, let me grab the arrow. There's the arrow. Oh, shit. There it is. Oh, and there's another one. There's another one just like the other one. There they are. Okay. Last week when it came up to here, I actually thought then, this is it. Okay, we're gonna, because it already came here, did a retracement, right? They were selling off something over here on the left. And I thought that like 2 weeks ago, this new high here, or like last week, I thought we were going to be way up here by now. But it didn't do that. Instead, it waited, it retraced, and more of the big whales, dogs, whatever you want to call them, they got in. They had another chance to get in at a better price. Yes, indeed. So, let's see how many weeks it's going to take. This is the weekly time frame, okay? How many weeks is it going to take? I say in the next 3 weeks we'll hit this level, and maybe 6 to 8 weeks we'll hit the all-time high. And I believe they're going to rally it up to a new high. Why? Just to baffle people. U.S. dollar's going down right now. Okay, enough of this long-term analysis. Let's go back here. Okay, let's look at oil. Look at oil, man. 76 bucks. It shot up with whatever news that was today also. But here's the trade right here. This dippy Rooney to here. Oh, look. Got a double bottom. Okay, we got it right here. And one more line. Right up like this. Okay, we had a triple bottom right here. You would have bought right in here. This is in between the night session and the day session. And this trade, it went up 63 points. And then we had another trade right in here. You would have bought it. Up it went, 56 points. And then we came down and went back up again, like we're right here right now. It's another trade. This is a double top. And if it works out, okay, we're going to come back down and go down here. But right now it's just pushing up still, so who knows where it's going. That's oil. Let's move on. But you can't, if you're using my rules, you can't sell from here because they're all bullish, my indicator. You don't want to trade against the trend because you might be sorry if you do. If you try and sell it in an uptrend. Look at that, look at that. Just as I said that, it spiked right up through there. Right up through 76 buckaroonies. See, you would be sorry. Okay, let's look at gold now. Gold, see, all bullish across all time frames that I'm looking at. Woo! This is the first time I'm looking at gold today here. Yeah, there's no trade to get in before the news. After it just, came back like 80 points, okay? Right here, would you be willing to buy it? If you were, guess what? Went up 130 points or so. And right now, do you see the divergence? Look. High, retracement, higher high. Right here, see? And that would be your entry right there. But if you did it, you're trading against my indicator, my filter. But at this point in time of the game, it's probably going to go down again. But if you're trying to sell it like somewhere over here, this indicator would have said, no, don't do it. And it would have been 100% correct. If you tried to sell it because you assumed to think that's what it was going to do, that it was going to go back down here. So that's why there's people that were selling in here heavy metal, man, because they thought it was going down. And then look what it did. It just rallied up higher. You got to remember this one general rule of thumb. If the market has a bullish sentiment, like these two candles right here, that's telling you it's a bullish sentiment. The big dogs, big whales, made the price go way up here. So the sentiment, there was a lot of buying. Do you think they're just going to let you guys just sell it right back down again a lot of the time? No. They've already made it clear that they are buyers. That's why you have these two big freaking candles. So you got to realize that the dominant force is, who made those candles do that? The big whales. So do you think they're going to let it go down? No, they're going to defend their position and buy it up higher. That's what they do. Okay. There's many times I do trades and I'm in deep drawdown and I go, no, man, this is a trap. Just stick with it. And sure enough, it goes back up and goes higher. Okay. That's some more knowledge about trading. Pound yen 5 minute. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we had a down move spike. Buy right in here. Oh, I've talked too much today. I can barely talk now. I'm glad I'm almost done. Oh, I shared a lot of good points though with you. I'm proud of that. Good boy, Jason. I'm slapping myself on the shoulder. You shared some good shit today with the people, with the divergence traders. I'm telling you, man, my videos are a gold mine to you people. I'm telling you, they really are. And it's free. All that I ask is you hit the like button and, yeah. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, so we had a trade here. We had divergence here. We had a low retracement, lower low. You would have got in long right here, and it went up 50 points. Pips, basically. 46 pips. 46 pips. Okay. And then up here, as you can see off my support and resistance lines, they sold right off this sucker. Was there divergence? Oh yeah, there's the line there. It's like a triple top, and then right up from here to down here, boom. Yes, yes. But, however, when you did this, if you were to do this trade right here, these, my indicator at the time right here, it probably would still say bullish. Yeah, let me show you. Just show you how my indicator works. So right there, we go on the 15-minute, we're on the 5-minute. Okay? See, it was just crossing down. By the where it told you to get in on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, the 5 moving average was still above or not closed yet below the 7 EMA. If you follow what I'm saying. That's why I have this indicator made for the filter, so you don't do the wrong thing at the wrong time. On a choppy day, up and down, this indicator won't help you. It's only helping you to not fight against the trend, okay? And at the time, when this trade setup happened on the 5-minute, the trend was up. See, right here, up. Yeah. On a day like today where it goes up and then comes right back down to here again, then goes back up to here again, this indicator's useless. It'll stop you from getting in the trades. Just wanted to make that point clear. But anyway, if you were willing to take the risk of this counter trend trade, your stop would have been like 30 pips and it went down 60, 66. Okay, let's look at the euro yen. I'm sure it's the same, pretty much the same. Yeah. We got the, I take it from here. Just like that. And like that. Yeah, that's it. And you would have got long right in here. See, I could make these videos really quick. I could bang them off in like 7 minutes just to show you where the setups are. But I'm trying to teach you everything I've learned myself over the years. I'm trying to teach that to you. So I hope you don't mind my longer videos. They will definitely help you in your trading if you're willing to apply what I'm saying about trading. So up here we have a double top with the wicks. Triple top, whatever. And yeah, right there. See, right from there, down here, see, you would have sold right in here. Down it went 34 points, and you had a 15 pip stop. So you basically got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Let's move on now to the last pair of the day, which is the pound dollar, which is a sell right now. There's divergence, but it's against my 15-minute. We have a high and a higher high. Ooh, look at that. Woo, woo. That's like a ski hill. All right. And that goes down like that. This is counter trend trade, trading against my indicator, but hey, maybe it'll work out, right? So anyway, that's it for today. I want to thank you for listening and watching, and if you'd like to pick up your copy of the Divergence video course, it's the information on how to get it is down below the video, and thanks for listening, thanks for watching, good luck, and good trading.